name is Datta. I am from RFL Academy Porbandar. So today I have made football player striker from WeDo 2.0 kit. Rajendriya loves to play and watch football match and in this model I have used one smart one motor and a motion sensor. This is the audience, this is the referee, this is the trophy, this is the goal post, this is the goalie, and this is a popcorn cart. Let me tell you something about football. There are 11 players in football. There are many positions in football like striker, defender, cam, goalkeeper. And this is the match between Argentina versus France. Argentina versus France, they both have 2-2 goals. Now it's time for penalty shootout. France has to do 5 out of 2. Now Argentina has to do 3 goals to win the trophy. Argentina scored 1. Argentina scored 2 goals. If he scores this goal, Argentina wins. Argentina misses this, he also has 2 chances more. Argentina wins. Thank you.